Today I'm showing you inside a Kundalini Sattva Yoga Retreat. It was something different. It's not a typical yoga retreat, not how I pictured it to be, like women all in lycra and doing the downward dog and all that kind of thing. It's a lot more of an inward spiritual type of yoga practice. Movement is only one small part of it. A lot of it's chanting and mantras.
No one can break you. Feel your power.
Sattva Yoga involves meditation, breathwork, chanting mantras, rituals, movement, and developing a deep spiritual connection.
Allow the energy to move you.
We utilize kriya yoga, kundalini yoga, these powerful techniques that work with that divine energy that all of us have within us.
I was asked to come here to take photos and videos to document the beautiful journey that these women take other women through in self-discovery and yoga and empowerment. Now, I've just seen the schedule for tomorrow. Now, the entire week we're advised to stay in silence from when we wake up until after breakfast at around 11:30. We're told that you go inwards and it's a way to find, your inner space. Now, I'm a very outward person. I always say things that I think and see and feel. I always talk to myself out loud and sing, and I'm very loud. So for me, it's going to be quite interesting to see how I go for an entire week of not speaking all morning or even making any noise or sound, apart from the meditation and Sattva Yoga and chanting that we're going to do. So I'm interested to see if, from not spending voice on other things, if it'll make the voice I spend on the meditation and yoga more powerful.
Every morning we'd rise and shine, not speak a word to each other, and start the day with a yoga session.
Mata Shakti Namo Namo Kundalini Mata Shakti Namo Namo Kundalini Mata Shakti Namo Namo.
The week-long retreat was set at Bali Beach Resort in Ahmed, which, by the way, was an epic location for a yoga retreat, based at the foothills of Mount Agung volcano with a black sand beach right outside and a spiritual vibe you really can feel here. Oh, and it has a custom-built yoga shala overlooking the sea. This is magical. Hey! Beautiful outdoor shower. I think if you wanted to know what it feels like to wake up in heaven, this is it. Look at this four-poster bed, and then this is the view you wake up to. We did a couple of ocean and fire ceremonies, and it was quite fun to get witchy together.
Feel the heat of the fire. Feel the heat burning away all that does not serve us any longer.
Om Namah Shivaya.
And on the final day of the retreat, we had a local elder come in to do a traditional Balinese cleansing ceremony for us. So I'm getting my hair cut now. Terima kasih, Ibu.
This we call biju. If you finish frying, and then if that one we call biju, but it is white. If you eat, it's not for your body. Also.
Okay, it's a blessing for your body.
Blessing your body. Cleaning.
Yeah. So you put here third eye on the throat.
Behind the ear.
Right.
Yeah.
The two teachers, Ella Made and Alina Rose Davis, learnt their Sattva practice in the Himalayas in India. They came together to teach this retreat in Bali, and now they both hold their own yoga retreats all around the world. I'll put their links down below if you're interested to see what they have coming up.
We're told to, as women often, to play small, to be a certain way that society can feel comfortable with how you present. And at the retreats, we are all about not playing small, going big, expanding, unleashing that divine, sensual, powerful Shakti that all of us have. There is a power in gathering women together and unleashing that together and awakening that together and supporting one another.
This is not a yoga holiday. This is a transformational retreat. We are calling to women that are ready to expand their consciousness. We are calling to women that want to step into their power. We can be witches, we can be fairies, we can be fierce, we can be showing our emotions in a soft way.
We can be
but
angry.
Also, we can be angry. Anything that we feel, anything that is there, we want to inspire these women to own it, to embrace it. We are here to empower them, to develop their own skills and awaken their own power.
Now, this was a powerful week for me. I remember getting to a deep level in my meditations and feeling so incredibly happy and calm for quite a while afterwards. Would definitely recommend.
When Eleanor reached out to me on Instagram, I grabbed the opportunity. We've had women from all walks of life here in many different countries, and you all connect and realise that no matter where you're from in the world, what your circumstance is, we as women are all the same essentially. So learning the skills to be able to get in and find our inner peace and then to share that with each other and to help lift each other up is definitely a really valuable lesson that I hope to take home and share with other people. Our circumstances around us don't have to control us. We're the ones who have the power to control how we react to our circumstances. And meeting all the other women here is really been the most enriching part, I think, and being able to look into each other's eyes and know that we're all on the same path and we've all got each other's back.
So thanks for coming along to this retreat in Ahmed in Bali. I have a separate short travel video just about this location, so check it out if you're interested. And if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you again next week.
Thank you.